Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is February the 26th and I'm using my new 4X-SCALPER trading system. System has the scalper here, this moving average that changes from blue to red. It also has these arrows, the blue and red ones, and they are called the super signal indicator. Now you will get an audio sound and this pop-up box here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer trading the continuation of the London session right into the New York session. I take a look at my daily trade plan, and once I realize I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow just to remind me I want to be buying and or selling. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. Speaking about time, it just flipped over to 10 a.m. and I'm done trading for the day. But at 6 o'clock, well, between 6 and 7 this morning, this daily trade plan looked different. I do have it set to be a little bit more sensitive, as it helps me to get into trades a little bit quicker. Like if I wanted to continue trading, like now after 10 o'clock, then there would be a lot of buy trades. But earlier, there was a lot more red in here. It is preset for day trading. I am a day trader, in and out over a few hours. You can easily change the settings if you're a swing trader and or a position trader. Now this daily trade plan analyzes the charts from the monthly down to the 30 minutes. And within the comments here, it'll say, look for bullish trades, bearish trades. Some will be preferred. Sometimes it'll just say not enough strength. Now, if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are still struggling. If you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Another great tool I recommend you get your hands on is my Fibmaster tool. It's a complete full course, over 3 gigabytes and 30 training videos. You would just click on this tab right here and you would go from swing low to swing high. Here's your pullback. Hit entry number 3 right here. And as a general rule, if it hits the entries, it'll make it at least to target 2, 3, 4, 5, and today, as you can clearly see, it hit target number 10. It's a great tool, works fantastic, because millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. Now let's run a check to see where I got in this trade on the pound New Zealand. Let's just drag and drop this up. Of course, the setup from swing low to swing high, this was in the London session. I was in a New York session. I got in at this cursor here, and I closed it out very close to target number 10. I took all the trades, some around 7, some closer to 9s, various times, but I closed them all out. Not all of them, but close them all out definitely before 10 a.m. around 9:30, 9:35, and it's only 10:05 as I'm doing this video. So let's see where I got in at this cursor. Close it out here, just being happy, locking in about 24 pips. That paid out $142. Remember, you can trade Any instrument that your broker offers you, if you can get it into the market watch, you can trade it. And as you can clearly see, the Forex pairs are usually at the top here, least amount of money. I click on this tab here to show it in order of the profit, and the most movement and payment money-wise definitely are the futures and the indexes. Okay, moving right along to the next trade, Euro Aussie. Let's see where I got in at. First of all, took the trade here, went mostly sideways, a little bit of a pullback, not too much. Definitely I'm glad I'm out now because it's starting to go a reversal here. Who knows how far? Nobody knows. All you can do is just trade what you see. Got in at this point, closed it out here. Looks like locking in 24 pips again, and that paid out $157. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Took the trade at this cursor, did a pullback, didn't bother me, and then of course it continued working its way up. Got in at this point, closed it out here. Looks like locking in about 37 pips, and that paid out $247. Okay, moving on to the next trade, Pound Aussie. Let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. By the way, most of these trades also did qualify for a great way to trade. Perfect example right here of what the should look like when you're trading a great way to trade. Very, very high success rate. I don't know what the percentage of or is, probably at least 90%. At least it is for me. So I took the trade at this cursor right here, and I got out again. Perfect timing. Locking in 48. And those 48 pips paid out $308. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones pays $5 for each tick. And so I took the money, divided by 5. Easy to see, it should be 101. So this one I sold it, so let's drag and drop this up. And as usual, there's the white arrow from the daily trade plan. The scalper was red, lots of red down at the bottom. Easy decision to make. Just get in and go grab a quick 100 ticks. 101 actually, there it is right there. 101 ticks. That paid out $505. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn how to trade. And that's exactly what I teach within the training videos. The secrets on how to trade the markets successfully. And another thing you're going to need, after a lot of education, you're going to need some level of support. And whoever you're buying from, make sure you can pick up the phone and get in contact with the person who's selling it to you, because I'm sure you're going to have some questions that you want answered. Very important that you can get your questions answered. And after you buy from me, I do give support. Okay, moving on to the S&P 500, another one that pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 5. It's 125. So let's drag and drop this up. Another one I sold. Daily trade plan, the scalper, super signal back here. Everything was good to go, top and bottom. And so we're looking for, it looks like I got out at a perfect. It's very hard to get out at the perfect time, but On this trade it was. What did I say? 125. Oh, that's as close as I can get. But anyhow, it is 125, and that paid out $625. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. Another one I sold it. Another one I got out at a good time. So pays $20 divided 1184 by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 59. So we're just going to measure everything on the top and the bottom, as you can clearly see. That's why I love my Forex-SCALPER. Easy to trade with. Trading becomes easy when you have all the proper tools. What did I say? Around 59. There it is right there, 59. You remove the last two digits. And that ended up paying out $1,184. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick. So I took the money, did some calculations. Calculator says it's approximately 350 ticks. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now I did drop it down to the 5 minutes because this one's very hard to get a reading on it. Market's moving up, as you can clearly see. Daily trade plan, scalper, top and the bottom down here, everything perfect. Super signal. Just take the trade and away it goes. Love trading. So I got in at that cursor. I closed it out here looking for that 350. And that's as close as I'm going to be able to show, but it is 350. 350 or approximately 350. That paid out $1,312. So another great day of trading using my Forex-SCALPER trading system. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks, mainly because of this DAX 30. Grand total came to 768, and all of those pips and ticks, as you can see, paid out $4,482. So if your system's not producing great results, like my Forex-SCALPER, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan, and don't forget about the FibMaster tool. Remember, like I said many times, you're going to need a lot of education. Now if you have any questions, simple, just get in contact with me. To do that, which is easy to do, just look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. And in over 20 years of trading, I know that that is very difficult to do because people are either trading or selling. But usually they're not doing both. I do both. I trade, I use my system, and of course, obviously, if you have any questions regarding the system, I can answer it. And I offer that service for free after you buy from me. Without support, you're going to find it very, very difficult to succeed. Now you can also send me an email, but I really do prefer Skype. I made a link, Skype invite. All you got to do is click on it. We will have Skype connection. And at that point, I should be able to answer most of your questions. You will also notice in the description 4 different packages. And I made a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.